If you have come down with the case of extremely dry curly hair, then you have come to the right place. Hello guys, it's Jasmine here today with a video about how to take care of dry curly hair. The first tip I want to say you guys is hydrate better. Remember, it starts from the inside out. Drink more water and stick to it. Your curls will thank you. Besides, your wash day routine is just one way to keep your hair hydrated. The second one is deep condition option. Deep conditioners are designed to add moisture. They are typically fortified with the humectant ingredients that extract water and bring moisture to your hair, which helps to keep it soft and hydrated. The next tip we should know that rinse with the cool water. This will help close the hair cuticle and lock in the hydration. After conditioning, rinse with cool water, and you will see that your curls are noticeably softer. The fourth tip we should know is use oil for extra conditioning and sealing moisture. Use oil on your scalp and hair that infuse your curl with essential nutrients like avocado oil or jojoba oil. They also protect your curls from damage by forming a protective coating around each strand, locking in moisture and adding shine. Last but not least, get a trim. We can get so obsessed with reaching our length goal, but holding on to dead ends can actually get in the way of growth. The fastest method to get on track to healthy, hydrated curls is to snip those bad boys away. Curly hair is one of the most beautiful hair that every girl wants to have in their life. But absolutely no girl wants to have a dry curly hair. So I think that you have found some useful tips for your hair in this video today. Sharing you guys with some helpful tips is my happiness. So it is Jasmine, and thanks for watching.